Alright, here is the 1971 Boss 351 Mustang. It's been in this barn for at least 40 years. The gentleman who I'm here is the husband of the daughter of the original owner who bought it new. There is some sort of engine issue. And the car was put away, and unfortunately it is completely buried in tarps and raccoon poop, and yeah, it's just a mess. I mean, it is really just and it's not even, it's deep too.
Here's my wife.
Uh-oh. Amy, the daughter, he bought this new, right?
Yes.
He bought this brand new. The car has been sitting since 1976 roughly.
81, I think, is the last time on the plates.
Oh, 81 is the last time on the plates, but then that was when you moved it here to this barn.
We moved it here in 1990.
Oh, it was in this barn in 1990.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it was in another barn from like 1981 to 1990.
Wow. It's beautiful. I mean, it looks terrible, but it's just dusty. I mean,
Yeah, if you took it out and sprayed it off, you'd be surprised.
yeah. But the biggest thing I would do is get the stuff out of the engine compartment, because that's the worst. Like I said, I mean, me and Matt, we opened up the interior and it was nice. I mean, the carpet would have to be replaced, but the seats, you condition them and clean them, they're going to be fine. We were able to clear a bunch of the stuff away from the side of the car, at least one side, the driver's side, and able to look inside, and it's not bad for sitting for just about 40 years. I mean, there's a lot of animal excrement, possibly the original carburetor, but the seats are really nice. Back seat is near perfect. The car only has 46,175 miles. It's got a 4-speed where you can see there's a bunch of raccoon poop. This is the Disgusting's brother. But it's a real 4-speed. I think they all were 4-speed cars, right? And with the Boss 351. Well, watch this. Like a new car. All right, well, here we are at the Boss 351. This is the trunk pan. Look at that old John Bierce Ford with the Cobra logo. That is cool. I actually found the keys to the car in the car, and 46,000 original mile car full of rat poop. But how cool is that? Untouched, other than the spare tire's missing.
Yep.
All right, I'm gonna close it. You ready?
Go ahead. Yeah, that's
Jeez, that
nice too.
closes like perfect.
That's amazing, dude.
That is awesome.
I never really dug into it.
Yeah. This is the Mustang Boss 351 as I found it in the barn. Literally covered with the old tarp, covered in who knows what. There was something living in the engine compartment fairly recently. It was so dense and heavy we couldn't dig it out in the time we had. But the owner, Amy, actually it was Amy's mom at that point, and Amy and her husband allowed me to dig the car out and get some nice pictures of it in the video and tell me the history on the car. So I was very fortunate. You see from the license plate that it had been registered in 1980, but the last time it had been actually running was 1976, when the father, who had bought it new, had tried to convert it to a 2-barrel because of the gas crisis and just never finished it. Another cool thing is the father was colorblind, so when he ordered the car, he thought he was getting a red car, and when it showed up at the dealership, he goes, "Look at this red Mustang I special ordered." And the wife goes, "What are you talking about? It's yellow." And I don't know if he didn't know or what the whole situation was, but he only drove it for 46,000 miles before putting it up. So it's very rare, very desirable, really cool to see it. That's Amy and her husband. They took time out of their day to come show me the Boss because I was traveling through the area. They went out of their way to make it as easy and seamless as possible. And since I documented the car, the mom did sell it to a local individual who has gotten it running, I heard. Hey everyone, Hope you enjoyed that video of the Boss 351 that was sitting in the barn. It's really cool that the car has been rescued and is being worked on, last I heard. I talked to the new owner, and hopefully we'll have an updated video here in the near future. And finally, the weather has turned here in Chicago, so I'm actually out in the garage working on the green car. Can't see it, but the other side, actual work being done, which is surprising, let me tell you. Hopefully I'll have a video all about what projects I've been working on here shortly. Now that the weather's nice, I'm actually out here cleaning up and getting some things sorted out. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can keep updated on what I'm doing. And what else do I have to say? You can contact me through all my social media, which is in the description below. I do read the comments, so if you have any comments or questions, drop them in there as well. I will probably respond to them, because I do read them. But I hope everyone's staying safe, and I'll talk to you all soon.